Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video and where we teach you guys how you guys can solve your problem step by step. So today's video is on how you guys can create or how you guys can sign up for Netspend. So Netspend is a gift card company and you might have heard about Netspend gift cards, alright? It's pretty famous. So let me show you guys how you guys can sign up for it. And remember, in order to create a Netspend account, you need to buy their card. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy their card in this video. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step, you just want to come to your search engine and search for Netspend over here, just like I'm doing. Once you search for Netspend over here, you want to click on the first option, Netspend prepaid card, business card. It's going to take you to this page. Now over here, you guys can sign up by entering your first name over here. So I'm going to enter my first name over here, Kevin, and I'm going to enter my last name over here, Richie. And I'm going to enter my email address. You guys also do that. This is a really simple step, but just doing this is not going to create your account. After this, it's going to ask you for some more information. So on the next step, wait for some time. Now over here, your first name and your last name, like which I just entered in the previous part, and my email is going to be entered over here. Now I need to enter my street address over here. After entering my street address, I need to enter my zip code. After entering my zip code over here, I need to choose which card I want to buy. As I said, you need to buy a card in order to, sign up or like create a Netspend account. And these cards are Netspend's card, all right? So don't worry about it. You cannot buy other companies' card. You have to come to this page, purchase a card. Doesn't matter, $1 or $2. Just purchase a card, all right? Even if it is like the minimum amount of card, you can purchase it. Just purchase a card. After you purchase it, click on get my card. After you click on get my card over here, basically it's gonna ask you to enter like your card detail, not like this card detail, like your payment card detail. So you need to enter debit or credit card in order to buy this gift card. After this gift card is purchased, account under this information like your first name, last name, email, street address, zip code is going to be created. Once it's created, you can do whatever thing you want with that account, all right? So hope you guys understand on how you guys can create yourself a Netspend account. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.